Hello everyone, I'm recording this video to talk about the touchscreen issues some users are reporting to have in LG G-Pad 8. Well, I do believe in you when you're saying that you have this kind of issue. It's normal to have such kind of problems when you have a new port, but the problem is that I'm not experiencing this issue, so it's hard to fix this bug. If this was happening to me, it would be easier because I could just check what was wrong with my device and look for the error or look for the problem that was causing it. But the point is, it doesn't happen with me. Just see it. Every single item I tap on my device, it responds properly. As you can see, no problem with unresponsiveness. Let me show you. I can drag menus, for example. No problem with it. Let me close the applications, for example. Everything works fine for me. One user, for example, has argued that I may have forgot how good was the touchscreen stock run. Well, that's not true. I did not forget how good was it because it's still good for me. I also have another device. I have a Nexus 5 phone which I'm using to record this video, and I can say you that the touch responsiveness in the tablet is the same as in my phone, in my Nexus 5. Also, my wife has a Moto X Play, and I can compare the three devices, and the three devices work the same way. The, the, the touch responsiveness I got in my tablet works the same way as a touch responsiveness in my Nexus 5, for example. So that's it. I'm not having this problem, so it's hard to fix it because I just can't see what's going wrong with the device. If my device was experiencing this issue, it was easy for me because I could just examine the logcat, for example, and see if there were any error message showing up, and I could just fix the bug, the problem. So what I ask you users which are having this problem is try to give me more information so I can see what's going wrong. One thing you can do is use a USB cable to get logcat from the device. I'll show you how to do this. The first thing you have to do is to enable ADB debugging in your settings. I'll show you how. Just open your settings. Developer options, in my case, is in Portuguese, but I think you won't have difficulty to find the options since the icon is the same. So tap developer options, and let's see. You must activate Android debugging, which is activating already in my device. So once you activate the Android debugging, just insert a USB cable in your device. It's hard to do it with one hand, busy. The other part of the cable is already connected to my computer, as you can see. And let me show you how you do this. In my case, I'm using Ubuntu, but you can do it with Windows too. You have to install Android tools first. Well, let me focus that. It's hard to focus. Just type ADB logcat. It will connect to the device and show a lot of strings. So that's what you have to do. Enable logcat and tap on device. Try to open things, for example. Try to open the applications menu. Try to make gestures of something. And maybe you have some error messages in the log. Just copy the entire log if possible, the same way as it shows up in the computer, and send it to me. This may help you to find the problem. Of course, I'm not saying that it will solve the problem entirely because even if you do this, it is possible that no error message appears in the logcat, for example. Anyway, as I said before, it's hard to fix this bug because I'm not experiencing it. So I ask you to please, if possible, send me logcat so I can try to solve your problem. Well, another thing I want to talk to you is about live display. Let me focus on device again. Well, as I said before, I'm not experiencing this issue, but I have a problem with live display, which was not a touchscreen problem at all, but my device was a little bit laggy when live display was turned on. So my suggestion is open your settings again, go to screen, let me find it, that's it, screen. You'll find live display, second option. In my device, live display is turned off. Why did I do it? Because when my live display was turned on, my device was a bit laggy, and I have found it that if I turn it off, my device works fine. Maybe some of you are not having touchscreen problems at all. Maybe some of you are having problems with live display. Well, why is this happening? I don't know already. Maybe live display uses too much CPU power, for example. I don't know. I haven't figured out yet, but that's something I want to fix too. So that's it for now. If you have any not any comments to add to this video, just I will post this video in my site. You can comment my site, for example, or you can comment on YouTube video. It's not a problem. Okay, bye everyone.